What is going up, everyone? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. So we're going to be doing our Drives with Carter today, and we're going to be talking about Nike and their stock and their company, kind of their motto. Everybody's been talking about it. You go on Facebook and literally I see 50,000 things of Colin Kaepernick signs with Nike and how it's terrible and it's going to destroy the company. Well, I feel like most logical people should realize that Nike is a multi-billion-dollar company and they spend millions on advertisements. And what do advertisements do? Is they get people intrigued in their company. So I think this was just a good idea of Nike getting more publicity, whether it's good or bad. You know, at the end of the day, the freaking customers are gonna love their shoes, they're gonna love their product, and it shouldn't be a big deal. I know their stock dropped about 3% during pre-market today, and honestly that should have been just a freaking sale sign for you guys who are investors and traders. You guys should have saw that and realized that the stock market is an opportunity for people to make money and invest. So it was up at the end of the day about I don't remember, to $79. I checked the price before I hopped in the car here, but I think everybody's just freaking out for no reason. You know, they say, oh, I'm never gonna buy Nike again. Well, Nike can afford that. They're doing this just for the advertisement, and they've realized Colin Kaepernick, he's not from the United States to begin with, and the only thing he did was kneel down during the national anthem. And I know a lot of people will, you know, discredit him and, you know, think that's a bad idea. You know, and I'm not gonna voice my opinion on that, but you guys have to understand that this is America, and you have the freedom of speech and press and all that other good stuff. That's what makes America, you know, the best country. But everybody gets so, you know, hostile, and even the president, just because he didn't stand for the national anthem for a country he was not born in, or is not from my knowledge. You know, I just think everybody's freaking out about this Nike deal that he signed. And for Colin Kaepernick, I think it was a good idea. I feel like anybody in his shoes would have done the exact same thing. But everybody always freaks out and wants to make a bigger deal out of something than what it needs to be. I'm in some serious traffic here. But I feel like, and if you're an investor, why wouldn't you want to look at Nike to invest in? Honestly, I'm wearing their shoes right now, you know, and Nike has that kind of Apple attitude where, you know, they go for that kind of hipster, not hipster, but I don't know, I can't think of the word to use, but they go for a different vibe than any of the other companies. So I just feel like for anyone who's wondering what's going on, I feel like everybody's freaking out. They need to just relax, and at the end of the day, it will be okay, really. So that is what my honest opinions about this huge Nike, this Nike freaking, it's not even news. It's just they signed a deal with someone and people hated it. So, all right, that's it though. That's this episode with Drives with Carter. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these, make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're new. And I always love talking about these kind of controversial topics, because you guys are going to get people who hate it, fight it, and leave negative remarks. But that's why I always stay happy and stay positive. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a good day.